Hey there, science buffs! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge technology and scientific marvels. Did you know the world's thinnest lens is just one molecule thick? Yes, you heard that right, just one molecule. That's right, it's thinner than a single strand of human hair by over 100,000 times. Imagine something so thin, it's almost beyond comprehension. Lenses have always been a vital component in the world of optics. They are the unsung heroes in many of our daily devices and scientific instruments. From the glasses on our noses to the powerful telescopes peering into the cosmos, lenses focus light to help us see clearly. They are essential in everything from simple magnifying glasses to complex astronomical observatories. But now, scientists have developed an ultra-thin lens that could revolutionize the way we use optics. This breakthrough could change the landscape of optical technology forever. Conventional lenses, while effective, have their limitations. They are often bulky and can suffer from various optical issues. They're bulky, they can suffer from chromatic aberrations, and as we push towards more compact and efficient devices, these traditional lenses simply don't cut it anymore. The demand for smaller, more efficient optical components is growing rapidly. Creating thinner lenses has always been a challenge due to the physical properties of the materials typically used and the intricate manufacturing processes required. The quest for miniaturization in optics has been a long and arduous journey, but breakthrough technology has changed the game. With new materials and innovative techniques, the impossible is becoming possible. Researchers have harnessed the power of materials like molybdenum disulfide to craft a lens only one molecule thick. This is a monumental achievement in the field of materials science. This material is not only incredibly thin, but also remarkably strong and flexible. Its unique properties make it an ideal candidate for next-generation optical devices. The secret lies in its atomic structure, which allows it to manipulate light at a scale previously thought impossible. This opens up new possibilities in how we design and use optical systems. Imagine the possibilities: ultra-thin cameras on our smartphones that don't sacrifice quality, medical imaging devices that can be even more precise and less invasive, and even advancements in virtual reality systems, all thanks to this tiny yet mighty lens. The potential applications are vast and varied. The moment this breakthrough was achieved, it opened up a whole new world of opportunities. Scientists and engineers are now exploring countless ways to integrate this technology into everyday devices. Researchers were able to fabricate the lens using a technique called chemical vapor deposition, which allows for precise control over the material's thickness and properties. This method is crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of the lens. This innovation could lead to a future where optics are sleeker, more efficient, and more powerful than we ever dreamed. So, let's recap. The implications of this technology are profound and far-reaching. We've explored the significance of lenses in optics, discussed the limitations of conventional lenses, and delved into the groundbreaking creation of a one-molecule thick lens. This journey from traditional to ultra-thin lenses marks a significant milestone in optical science. This ultra-thin marvel holds the promise of transforming the future of optics and imaging technology. The advancements we can expect in the coming years are nothing short of extraordinary. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking innovation? How do you think it will impact our daily lives in the field of optics? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on the latest advancements in optical technologies. Your insights and opinions are what drive these discussions forward. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we continue to explore the frontiers of science and technology. The future is bright, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and stay curious. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know.